This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bowls, specifically these modern bowls. And we have two sizes here. The 15-ounce medium is 6 3/4 by 3 inches, and it comes in black, white, and clear. And then we also have one of the 10-ounce sizes here, which is 4 1/4 by 1 1/2 inches. And we have the clear here, but it's also available in white and black as well. These are all made from a premium plastic for a really durable disposable option. Its sleek, modern look goes with a variety of different events or dining room aesthetics, making it a great, durable, yet stylish disposable option that will really hold up to hefty meals and foods. It's also recyclable, making it a great eco-friendly option as well. So these are perfect for things like burrito bowls, salads, pasta or fruit salad, serving things like yogurt or smoothing bowls, and a variety of different other meals and foods, making them perfect for catered events, to use on buffets or at salad bars, at restaurants or cafes, and just by caterers and a variety of other food establishments.